So I bought these jars. Yeah. Okay, let me take this up. It's on the way. Okay, and then I have some water here. And I bought these. I bought these flowers. And I bought these candles. Those candles here. So now I'm gonna fill these with water. And then I'm gonna use this. I have one that is broken already. So this, I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break it like this. Okay, so now this is it. And I have to cut this from here. Okay. Okay, so this, I'm gonna put it in here. You see? Like that. And then I'll add more water. Like that. Then I put my candles. So 1. 2. And 3. See? So this is how it looks. See that? It's beautiful, simple. Like that. So here later I took the silver wrap around, or the container around the candle, so it makes it more unique, beautiful. So this is my table. So beautiful. Yay! Happy birthday. So this is very simple table setup. I have one for I think last year, and it's like I use the same roses but in a different way. So you can always use the things that you have, the old ones that you have, and then you mix it with the little bit of new ones, so you don't have to spend a lot. So that's what I did. Thanks for watching.